Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the side-by-side error code 59 that you are experiencing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. It says that the content generation failed, error in manifest or policy file. So it should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. First thing I recommend doing would be to open up the search menu and type in troubleshoot. Best result should come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the right side, you want to select other troubleshooters. And then on the right side, go down underneath other. And you want to select where it says Windows Store Apps and the run button. And then I would recommend following along with any on-screen prompts here. And then I'd recommend following along with any on-screen prompts here. And then go ahead and actually open up the web browser of your choice and type in Visual C++. And you want to go to the docs.microsoft.com, latest supported Visual C++ redistributable downloads. So go ahead and open that up and scroll down. Select the one for your version of Windows. If you're on Windows 11, it's going to be a 64-bit download. So go ahead and select that one. And then go ahead and run the executable file. You can close out of the web browser at this time. And check mark where it says I agree to the license terms and conditions and select install. And then select yes if you receive a user account control prompt. And it should say setup successful. Go ahead and close out of here. And then you want to restart your computer. And now hopefully your issue should have been resolved. If you're still experiencing an issue, we can also open up the search menu, type in CMD. Best result should come back with command prompt. Right click on it, select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now you want to go type in SFC followed by a space /scan now. Scan now should be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. Okay, so once that's done, proceed to close out of here and then restart your computer. And there you go, guys. So hopefully that was able to resolve your issue. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.